Still using basic earbuds that just play music? Ever wondered how much more your earbuds could do? Imagine a pair that not only delivers rich, immersive sound, but also blocks out noise, responds to your voice, and syncs effortlessly with your phone. Let's talk about the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, Google's smart and stylish answer to truly elevated listening. Let's see if these buds are the ones worth committing to. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 with wireless charging case, ear tips with 4 size options, quick start guide. Want to experience next-level sound? Grab the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 on Amazon. Just tap the link below. Smart features? Experience crystal-clear calls wherever you are. Beam-forming microphones isolate your voice while blocking out background noise, ensuring you're always heard. Active noise cancellation uses Silent Seal to adapt to your ear and maximize the level of outside noise being blocked. The earbuds automatically pause your audio when you start speaking, letting you jump into conversations without touching a thing. Once you're done, the sound resumes. No taps, no interruptions, just seamless awareness. Whether you're watching a video on your tablet or answering a call from your phone, the transition happens automatically. No need to disconnect or repair. It's a smooth, smart experience that keeps up with your multitasking. Power through your day with all-day battery life. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted listening on a single charge, with the case providing multiple recharges to keep you going even longer. Whether it's work, travel, or play, you're always ready without reaching for the charger. Specifications. How to wear. Your earbuds include 4 ear tip sizes, extra small to large, with medium pre-installed. Test different sizes for the most secure, comfortable fit. Each ear may need a different size for the best seal and sound quality. Insert each earbud into the correct ear, right to right, left to left. The Google logo should face upright. If it's upside down, you've got the wrong ear. Slightly rotate the earbud until it feels comfortable and secure. Each earbud features a stabilizer on the back to keep it secure. Use the twist-to-adjust method, looser when relaxing, tighter for active moments like workouts or runs. The stabilizer and logo positioning may vary depending on your ear shape. After adjusting, move your head side to side and up and down to make sure the earbuds stay securely in place. A proper fit not only improves comfort, but also enhances sound performance and noise isolation. How to connect. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Pixel Buds Pro from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Pixel Buds app from the Play Store, Android only. It helps manage settings, touch controls, and firmware updates. Using the app improves your experience and gives more control over the earbuds. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. The small LED light on the front of the case shows the charging status. A solid white light means fully charged. Pulsing white means charging, and orange indicates low battery. You can close the lid while charging continues inside. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to clean. Gently pull off the silicone ear tips from each earbud. This allows you to clean both the tips and the speaker mesh more thoroughly. Avoid using sharp tools to prevent tearing or damage. Use a dry, lint-free cloth or a soft bristled brush to gently wipe off debris. Avoid using water, soap, or cleaning agents as they can damage the material. Make sure the tips are completely dry and clean before reattaching. Use a dry cloth or cotton swab to remove dust and debris from inside the case. If needed, slightly dampen the cloth for exterior cleaning. Avoid letting moisture enter the charging ports or internal parts. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. See you in the next one.